The Family Handyman 11% series turns the spotlight on the 11% of women currently working in the trades. Jess Hirsch, carpenter and founder of Fireweed Community Woodshop, talks about the beauty of working with hand tools.
The Sloyd way is sort of working with green woodworking or green material, so fresh cut wood, and using really minimal tools. So like bowl carving, you just use an axe and an adze and some bowl gouges to shape these dough bowls. And that's the method I learned from Beth in Sweden. And it's a really satisfying process. It's like very body oriented. You're with your piece for hours as you're working on it. And you really sort of find this rhythm with the tool that is pretty special, as well as the wood, because you're dancing with the wood grain. It's not like working with power tools where you can rip through grain and still have a straight line. Like if the grain is moving, you are having to navigate that movement too with your hand tools. So I really love that part of Sloyd. And I love how few tools you need and how often they can just go in a backpack and you can be out in the world and be equipped to do a little bit of woodworking. Yeah.